our operations platform, 100 customers approximately. New ones arrive and old ones leave us at some point. Some of them been around for many years, some have come just for a couple of years or so. But either way, on last I counted, about 100 customers across 3 regions, North America, EU and UK, and about 40,000 endpoints, servers, network devices, etc. So I needed to cater for that amount of monitoring, which is quite a large environment, and I needed to create a platform that tried to move away from some of those problems that I've been talking about. So we need to be able to OpsView. You're not going to like this, sorry, but I need to be able to create scenarios where I can move away from a tools vendor much easier. So yes, we've chosen OpsView. If I hadn't said, OpsView can monitor both server and network equally well. So in our tool selection, we found OpsView did very well in that ability to do both. So, we had the vendor for server, vendor for network. We needed to do both with the same tool. So we need to be able to anticipate market changes much quicker and be able to react and not be bogged down so much by a tool that's not so flexible. We must actually assume, even worse, OpsView, I've got to assume that I will take you out in the next 2-3 years, whatever. Just when you think we've got it all sorted and working, then we'll start talking about where to go next. Maybe we'll stay, maybe we won't. But the premise is to assume you're going to swap your tools out, not just think it's a possibility. We needed a cloud platform. As you get with cloud platforms, the ability to spin up infrastructure and spin up the OpsView collectors, so that intermediary layer. We need to be able to horizontally scale easily as and when new capacity requirements come along. We also needed a modular design, so we can bring in, so I said we were in North America, EU, UK. We need to be able to bring on other regions, let's say a South America region, for instance. So it's a modular design where for X amount of clients in a region, we can easily plonk another OpsView implementation in there to cover that region. Each region separate, by the way. And we need the ability of things like deploying the code, trashing the environment and rebuilding it better than we could before. That's a big subject, and I don't profess to be that we're totally there. It all disappears and then suddenly you can spin it back up very quickly. But we've certainly moved forward in that journey to getting all our code into Terraform, for instance, being able, the platform guys in AWS and girls can spin up new environments using Terraform. So that's scalability.